everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Zengo application for your mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Downloading Zengo wallet application on a mobile device is quite simple. All you need to do is to be connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data, and once you are connected, tap open your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Zengo and make a search. Once you find the application in the search result, tap the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your mobile device. With your Zengo application downloaded on your mobile device, you can easily trade Bitcoin and crypto, explore NFTs, dApps, and DeFi with your wallet connect. Once the application has been downloaded and installed on your mobile device, tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Zengo application for your mobile device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.